back to my channel and to the Christmas 2021 Decorate With Me video. We're starting it off this year in my bedroom as usual. So I've got the Netflix fireplace video going on, and let's get started.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us.
And I found the jelly version of Twisted Peppermint the other day.
A Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels and January. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart, and I can't
going to the back of the candle holder. Oh my god. Wax there. Okay.
Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance. Have a good time. Dance, dance. All night long, we're gonna dance, dance. Have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
So I can't find the hooks to put these balls on the tree because they require an extra like little hook, and they're probably with the ornaments for our big tree. So I'm gonna have to wait until later to put this on. But I do have a new tree topper for this tree. It's from the Christmas spot at, the Wonder Shop from Target. And it was only $5. Very cute little wool tree topper. Let's put it on.
No time to let love go. I wish I could go back to Christmases gone by and feel the glowing light shining through the night.
Well, I found the hooks for the white ornaments and I've already broken one. Great. And with the end of any good decorating day, let's give the room a quick vacuum. Technical difficulty.
Dreams come true in blaze and glory. Soon forget the painful stories. It's a time to come together. Rejoice the spirit in our hearts. Hey, when it comes to me and you.
So I did find...
Take two.
Take two. So I did find the cutest and best little vacuum at Home Goods. It's this brand Ion Vac. And there was some dust that landed up here on the bench. Let's go ahead and use this little gadget.
Blaze and glory, there's no room for painful stories.
Okay, so I already went ahead and burned Twisted Peppermint just because I was dying to smell it. But let's go ahead and light the other candles and let's set the mood. Alrighty, you guys, so that's going to be it for this 2021 Christmas Decorate With Me video. So pretty please don't forget to like this video. Please, I beg you, like my video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.